Jessa Duggar's sister-in-law Jessica Seewald is a married woman again just months after finalizing her divorce from her ex-husband. Jessica tied the knot with her new beau after finalizing her divorce from ex-husband Dwight Phillips just months prior. A photographer shared photos from their special day, as the happy couple posed on a bridge embracing one another. In one shot, the newlyweds smiled at the camera, with their arms wrapped around each other, as the lens captured the fall foliage in the background. Jessica's new husband, Joseph Coates, donned his wedding ring for the photo shoot as he held his new bride close. Another photo showed the couple gazing into each other's eyes as the groom cupped Jessica's face with his hand. Jessica flashed her stunning diamond ring at the camera, getting a close-up shot of the sparkler, as she placed her hand on her husband's chest. Similar photos followed of the pair taking in the special moment, with both beaming with joy as they couldn't keep their hands off each other. Additional pics showed the bride and groom locking lips and pressing their foreheads together for more intimate shots. The photographer posted the photos to Instagram, captioning the album, "I was so honored to be part of this special day. Congratulations to Mr. and Mrs. Coates, and all the best wishes and blessings in your life together. I love the pure joy you can see radiating from this gorgeous couple." The news comes as a surprise to Duggar fans, as Jessa's sister-in-law only filed for divorce from her ex on May 21, 2021. The former couple were married for 2 years before announcing their split. We exclusively revealed their divorce was finalized on June 29, 2021. In Jessica's affidavit obtained by We, she claimed, "Constant verbal altercations creating an extremely intolerable home environment and causing me great emotional turmoil. Financial strain from the beginning of the marriage due to poor money management on part of the defendant." Jessica appeared in court, while Dwight did not. Jessica and Dwight were awarded personal property in his or her possession. Both parties shall be responsible for debt held in his or her name. Jessica's maiden name was changed from Lester to Seewald. As we previously reported, Jessica listed their separation date as April 16, 2021, 2 years after they tied the knot on May 18, 2019. Jessica didn't waste any time moving on, as last month she shared a pic in her stories of her now husband planting a kiss on her cheek. She was all smiles as she captioned the snap, "See you in 12 days." In August, the Counting on Alum's sibling was seen vaping and wearing a tight silk dress in photos following her divorce. She held a vape in her hand in the photo, as she stuck her tongue out. A couple of hours later, Jessica then shared a head-turning photo of herself in a tight silk dress. She wrote, "How long until I melt?" Jessica filed for divorce citing Dwight allegedly subjected her to personal indignities, destroying the legitimate ends of the marriage such that the plaintiff can no longer reside with the defendant as man and wife. Personal indignities in an Arkansas divorce filing could include a spouse consistently manifesting such rudeness, hate, abuse, and neglect towards their partner to make life intolerable. In Dwight's response to the filing obtained by We, he admits all of the allegations contained in her complaint for divorce. He waived his right to plead, answer, or appear in the case, and asked the same be done for a potential trial, as he said it could be heard at any time without notice to, and in the absence of him. He added that he has never been involved in a domestic relations case with Jessica. Dwight said in the court filing that the divorce is uncontested, which means the exes do not disagree on matters regarding finances or other divorce-related issues. He requested the court grant Jessica's requests in the complaint. Dwight added in conclusion, "I further waive my rights to notice of trial, findings of fact, and conclusions of law, a record of testimony, motion for a new trial, a notice of entry of final judgment or decree, and right to appeal." The split shocked fans, as divorce goes against the Duggar and Seewald family's religious beliefs. One fan wrote on Reddit, "Good for her. I really wonder what the Seewalds and Jessa/Ben think about this." Another said, "Good for her. I applaud anyone who can admit that their marriage isn't working and has the good sense to run for the hills." A third commented, "I hope the reason wasn't anything too awful and her family is supportive of her through this. Wonder how Jessa and Ben feel."